Small dinky. Nice. There we go, big sea robber. Hey guys, welcome to another episode. Today I'm here in Queens looking for some Fluke. I'm going to be using my new setup. This is a 9-foot Saltist rod. Pretty light surf rod. It handles 5/16 to 1 1/4 ounce jigs. So I have a 1/4 ounce jig right here and it works really good. It's a pretty sensitive rod. Also very affordable. It's about only like 140 bucks. I have it paired up with my Ballistic 5000. The whole setup weighs about 14 ounces, which is very, very light. So far I caught about 20 Fluke on it. So I like to say that it's a pretty good rod. It's more sensitive than my G Loomis EX6 rod, 7-footer. Let's see how it goes today. Let's get it. Gonna try to catch me a nice Fluke before the storm comes. It's a pretty crazy storm coming. Let's see what I should use. The water looks pretty dirty right now, so I'm gonna be using some type of very colorful pink color, so it can stand out of the green. I'm gonna be using a 1/4 ounce. Should be perfect. Okay. This edge here where I'm fishing, it actually drops to at least 8 feet. Not much, but oh, I almost had a nice bite. Woo! Oh, he's here. There he is. There he is. Got it. Oh, nice little Fluke. Look at that. Small dinky. Cute. There we go. Oh, second cast, guys. Make sure it drops. Most of the time the Fluke is gonna hit it when it drops. It's currently high tide and it's outgoing. Gotta get your fishing in before water gets all messed up. Fluke really like structure, like every fish, you know. And sometimes on high tide, they're really close to the rocks here. You gotta be careful, you might get snagged. This rod is giving me the casting distance also. It's a 9-foot. It's good for, you know, somewhere you wanna go cast water, you know. Oh, got it. Fish on. There we go. Nice sea robber. There we go. Number 2. You have really good water movement. It's not too windy yet. There we go. Fish on. Sea robber. Make sure you fish the whole area, left to right. They're ambush predators, so if they're not in one area, don't be shy to move to another area. Because they're not there, they're not there. It's like most fish. Don't get stuck in one area. Fish on. Oh, Fluke. Nice. Woohoo! Nice little one. Just a little small one. Not bad. Let's do a quick measurement on it. 15. Oh man, is that another bite? Still on my first gulp, guys. That was pretty fun. Most of the hits are coming really close to the shore right now. That was a nice bite. Oh, another bite. Woo! Oh, look at that. Took the tail. Whoa, I'm gonna see what's down there, guys. Let's change it up. Let's put another one on there and let's try to catch it. This tiger color is doing well. So the wind is picking up. Oh, that was a bluefish right there. Saw that? Oh yeah, there's a lot of bluefish here. Oh, we got a fish on. Oh man. Nice. Nice fluke. Woo. I barely felt him though. Yeah. Nice one. Just gonna make sure it doesn't drop in the rocks here. There we go. So guys, that's the end of the video. I caught about 3 fluke and 4 sea robins. I like to fish right before the storm. Feel like I get a little better luck during that time. And there's a storm coming right now, a big tropical storm. So I'm gonna be heading home. Thanks for watching. Catch you next time.